What's going on, guys? In this one, we're talking about the DJI Phantom 5. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, Art here off the Dome Media Group. Welcome back. In this one, we're taking a look at what can be, possibly be, could be the DJI Phantom 5. Up until now, we've had rumors and release dates flying all over the place. To my knowledge, the Phantom 5 rumor has been floating around at least since November 2017. And it was started by none other than Osita LV via Twitter. It showed a conceptual drawing of a DJI Phantom 5 camera with changeable lens and 6-direction obstacle avoidance. Fast forward to March and Osita LV tweets another drawing with the question, "Look familiar? Ring any bells?" On the same day, he tweets a picture of what appears to be a camera gimbal setup with DJI stamped on it. Again in March, he tweets another drawing of a DJI Phantom 5 with a lens sitting next to it. The tweet reads, "This should be the thing. A new Phantom with aluminum shell, plastic GPS antenna cover on the top, landing gear is made of plastic, just like Inspire 2. After that, pictures were leaked of what could be the new DJI Phantom 5 or DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2, both with aluminum shells. So what's the deal? Is there a new aluminum DJI Phantom 5 on the horizon with new interchangeable lenses? At the time of the making of this video, we're still seeing new pictures and drawings being leaked. Again, we're shown what could be a DJI Phantom fitted with a gimbal and a detached 50mm 2.8 DJI lens. We also got another hand drawing of a DJI Phantom 5 with raindrops falling above it, saying that it seems like the new Phantom will be waterproof. Only time will tell, although I have to be honest, I'm getting that same tingling feeling that I got just before the Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian was released. Obsidian! While at the same time, I'm excited about the possibilities of having interchangeable lenses like the X7 without the X7 price. Well, that's my update on the DJI Phantom 5 rumors. When I know more, you'll know more. Until then, we know nothing together. What are your thoughts and feelings about the Phantom 5 and the rumors? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share. More importantly, fly safe. Peace.